Ibiza vlog day 2. So surprisingly we didn't actually wake up too shabby. So we made our way down to the pool to catch those first lot of rays, although it doesn't actually look like there are many rays, but there are. Now, if you know, you know the Ali Oli Dialer in Ibiza is the one, and it's pretty much all we ate this holiday. We got ready, made our way to Ocean. We didn't actually have a bed, but we just kind of went to Ocean, and it was still such a really, really good time. Ended up somehow getting into VIP, which we're still not quite sure how we did. We had such a sick time, made friends with these gorgeous girls from Liverpool, I think they were from. This was Elle and Patricia's first time at Ocean, and as you can see by the end of the video, Elle did not want to get out of the pool. She was in that water until 11 o'clock at night, having to drag her out. But we had such a good time. Didn't end up going out after this to Solid Grooves, but so sick. Come back for day 3 tomorrow.